Do you want to have a nicer butt? If yes, know that you are not alone, because not only does having a nice and protruding butt make you more attractive, but it also has its way of making you look better in your outfits. Aside from looking attractive, it is medically important for your butt size to match your body size to a level. So, if you've been targeting your upper body alone while working out, it's time to fix that. If you're asking, what should I do to have a nicer butt? Don't fret, the answer you need is in this video. In this video, we'll be covering 5 proven steps and exercises you can follow to grow a bigger and nicer butt. The steps and exercises we'll be sharing in this video will strictly focus on how you can grow your butt to look better in your pants and enhance your overall physique. Are you ready? Let's get started then. Number 1. Glute raises. A barbell hip thrust or glute raise isn't very compound, so it will isolate the glutes well, while also still slightly working the hamstrings. This workout can be done with weights, often referred to as hip thrusts, or without, aka glute bridge or raise, across your lap depending on your own individual strength level. Here's how to do this exercise. Sit on the ground with your back against a flat bench, arms placed on either side of it. Knees bent and feet flat on the floor in front of you, hip width apart. Thinking of squeezing the glute muscles, press the hips up until they are in a straight alignment. The key is a complete hip range of motion, so make sure your hips are in the right form. Pause here and then lower your hips down to the ground to complete the rep. Number 2. Squats. Squats activate every single muscle in the lower body and part of the upper body as well. They're one of the best exercises if you want to naturally boost your testosterone and get a bigger butt. To take your squat position further, you could get yourself a pair of women's weightlifting shoes. These will help you find stability and comfort, even if you go through the most strenuous exercises. You can do your squat exercises and butt workouts at home, and there are so many squat variations that you'll never get bored of this exercise. Here's how to do this exercise. Get into an upright starting position with feet shoulder width apart and a barbell across your back. Unrack the barbell and take a deep breath in. Keep your knees slightly bent and slowly lower your body all the way down to the ground, going as low as possible. Keep the back upright and core muscles tight. This movement activates your glutes eccentrically. Pause at the very bottom and then press up to a full standing starting position while exhaling to complete your rep. Number 3. Walking lunge with weights. Walking lunges are an excellent exercise for building and toning the glute muscles while also targeting the quadriceps and improving your balance. If you have any issues with your knees, ankles, and hips, consult a physical therapist before trying this move. Here's how to do this exercise. Hold a dumbbell in each hand with your arms at your sides. Stand with feet about hip width distance apart. Step forward about 2 feet with your left foot. Bend your knee toward the ground until it's parallel to the floor. This is the forward lunge position. Pause and hold this position for a few seconds. Then take a step forward with your back right leg and repeat the lunge leading with this leg. Repeat this walking lunge pattern alternating legs for 20 repetitions or 10 each leg. Complete 2 sets of 20 repetitions. Number 4. Donkey kick. Resistance band butt blaster, also called donkey kicks, is a unique way to strengthen your hamstrings and glutes without putting weight on your knees. Donkey kicks can also be done with a leg curler machine or without any resistance band at all. This exercise also activates the glutens medius, a muscle deep to the gluteus maximus that works to abduct the hip. How to do this exercise. Start by kneeling on the floor. Wrap your resistance band under your right foot and hold the handles by placing your hands straight under your shoulders. Keeping your back straight, raise your right knee and push your foot back to extend the band. Focus on squeezing your glutes in this motion. Pause here, then return by slowly bending your knee back into the starting position. Finish your repetitions with one foot, then switch to the left knee and left foot. Number 5. Romanian deadlift. This deadlift variation builds not only your glutes but also your hamstrings. The result is a strong looking backside. Perform it with a barbell for high-intensity burn. Or if you're new to deadlifts, first master your techniques using lighter dumbbells. Here's how to do this exercise. Stand tall, keeping a neutral back and holding a barbell against your thighs. Your knees should be slightly bent and shoulder blades should be in a down and back position. Without allowing your lower back or shoulders to round and without locking out your knees, Hinge forward at your hips as you control the weight bar as it lowers down to the floor. When you feel the tension increasing in the hamstring muscles in the back of your thighs, pause for a second or two before returning to the starting position by pushing your heels into the floor and thrusting your butt forward. At the top of your motion, your back should stay neutral and your shoulder blades should remain in the set position. And here's a bonus exercise. Number 6. Lateral lunge with burpee walkout. The ultimate functional test, this exercise requires mobility, stability, strength, and coordination. It also utilizes both a lunge and a squat to get your glutes into gear. Here's how to do this exercise. Start standing feet hip-width distance apart. With your right foot, step to the side, bending your knee and pushing your glutes back into a lateral lunge. Keep your knees over your toes. Engage your glutes to push off your right foot and return to standing. With your weight in your heels, bend your knees and engage your glutes to squat down, lowering your hands to the ground. Plant your hands, then walk your feet backward until you are in a plank position. Walk your feet back up to meet your hands and engage your glutes to return to standing. Repeat on the opposite side, continue for 45 seconds. When doing the exercise that will help you get a nicer butt, keep in mind that exercises alone won't give you your desired results. There are other things you need to consider, which will in turn help you get your desired butt size, and they include nutrition. In addition to exercise, nutrition is also important when it comes to getting a bigger butt. Eating a balanced diet that includes plenty of lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats is essential for muscle growth. Additionally, make sure you're getting enough calories to support your training. Rest. Don't forget to rest, recover, and avoid injury. Doing these rigorous exercises over and over without resting or resting long enough could be like indirectly shooting yourself in the leg. Make sure you take out time to rest well. This way, you will get your results faster. Supplements. While supplements are not necessary for getting a bigger butt, they can be a helpful addition to your routine. Protein powders, for example, can help you meet your daily protein needs and support muscle growth. Additionally, glutamine and creatine can also help you get the most out of your workouts. Be sure to speak to a healthcare professional before taking any supplements. Diet. No amount of butt exercises will get you to your big bubble butt dreams unless you watch your eating habits. Like eating more lean protein, you'll need to grow your glute muscles while also slimming down on fat to get that toned look. Progressive overload. Progressive overload is very important for your butt growth. It's very important that you increase the volume or intensity of your exercises. By consistently pushing your weight, limit, and stamina, you'll blast through plateaus and grow muscle quickly. By following these steps, you can get the bigger butt you've always wanted. Remember, it takes time and dedication, but with the right plan, you can make some significant changes. If you've been thinking that getting a nicer and bigger butt is a big deal, we are sure you just realized it's not. All you have to do is follow the 5 proven steps we have shared in this video, and you will get the results you desire soon. Feel free to switch between the exercises and make sure you enjoy the process. Did you find the video helpful? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.